Gang, what up? It is the Wonder Kid. Welcome, and oh my days, I am looking rough. Jesus, this is like a beard that has not been trimmed in at least a week. Let's get that sorted. Yeah, that is so much better. Look at that. Love it. Right. That is probably the first transition I've ever done on this channel, right? But anyway, there you have it, guys. So anyway, welcome to another WonderKidWonders episode. This is just a chit chat, more of a personal chit chat. Thank you to everyone that has responded positively to these kind of episodes. I'm glad that you love it. It's a bit more of a personal touch to my channel. So guys, let's start chatting. So number one, as you would have seen this week, there's been changes on my channel, and the biggest change has been the thumbnails. I've spent hours and hours changing the thumbnails. I hope you guys like it. It looks a lot better and cleaner than before, looks a lot more uniform, and for me, I really like it. So that is great. And oh my gosh, yes, so right now currently my subscriber count is at 912. Now personally, to me, like, subscribers is not something that I look at. I'm not really focused on the numbers. It is like a nice bonus. Like I always say, for me, the main purpose of this channel is to provide value to you guys. So I'm really glad that everyone has responded so well. Well, the channel has responded so well to the public, and well, the public has responded so well to the channel. I got that the wrong way around, but I'm very happy with the growth so far. So like I said before, once we reach 1K subscribers, I'm definitely gonna do a day in the life of a trader. And yeah, hopefully, maybe you guys will see some fancy cars. Maybe not, I'd love that. But for now, it's gotta be a very honest day in the life, okay? No fancy cars, no like nice flashy houses or hot girls in the background, nothing like that for now. But it will be very honest. It'll be a lot to do with meditation, reading, but I will take you guys through a day in the life of what I usually get up to in the week. So guys, let's talk about a bit more of what I have been up to this week. So I have been back testing a lot more of GBP USD. GBP USD for me is a lot more of a harder pair than the other 5 pairs I currently trade. Why? Because it is very volatile, and for those of you that actually watched my price action reading of GBP USD, you'd have spotted like the kind of ways I like to get into that kind of market, and the strategy, well, not the strategy I use, but what I like to see when joining in and making a trade for that pair in particular. But guys, and a few other things that have happened this week. Now, for those of you that actually know me, I actually really enjoy skipping rope, okay? So I'm very excited to have my first new skipping rope that I have bought. Like the previous one I had was a plain black one. It came with the boxing punch bag that I've got. I also box too, but I've ordered a brand new rope, and I'm actually really excited to show you guys this because it looks so good, okay? So it is a white rope now. Before it was black, and this rope is just top quality. It's a speed rope. I adjusted it. It is by Rush Athletics, and it is known as their money rope. Money rope Performance is the one I got. Comes with a nice little bag too. But yeah, I love this rope so much. Now guys, traders out there, or whoever's watching this, skipping rope, why have I chosen to skip rope and why is it so important? Okay, number one, you don't have to run anywhere, right? So you're doing cardio on the spot, okay? That is very handy. So it's ultimately, you're taking this rope around you. You can take it wherever you are in the world. So it's very versatile, agile, whatever you want to call it. And you can get your fitness done, okay? So number one is good with that. Number two, it helps with your timing and helps with something in your mind. I'm sure it's to do with rhythm or muscle memory or whatever. But ultimately, you guys know that some of you may know that I love to dance. So, you know, when I'm listening to music and skipping rope, I'm getting a workout in, I'm training my legs too, which is awesome, but also I'm trying to be very creative and yeah, and just create new moves with the rope. I do like to do a lot more moves than I used to do. I will publish a video on that, maybe on my Instagram, on my story, probably not as a post, but guys, have a look out for that. But ultimately, it does help with creativity too. Like, you know, when you're skipping rope, and rather than just doing it as a workout, if you're trying to do new moves like side swings, crossovers, double unders, things like this, then it is very good for your mind. And to me, of course, like I always say, creativity does help with your trading. So anyway, I'm really excited to show you this. Again, it is just such a good tool. I can take it anywhere in the world, which is great, and have a workout in one specific location. I don't have to be running around anywhere. I can just be at some point in the world, just skipping my rope and listening to music, getting my workout done, and being creative along the way. So it's very good, very healthy, and yeah, trains legs too. So happy days for that. All right, guys, anyway, a few other things that I want to talk about. another thing actually with regards to my skipping rope is something that I found. I spoke to one of my subscribers earlier this week, and he was talking about chess. He asked me if I play chess, right? Now I do play chess. I do have it on my phone, so I do play it, but very rarely. But nowadays, in fact, I actually have a Rubik's Cube. So you guys may have seen, like in my previous Wonder Kid Wonders episode, that I have a Rubik's Cube here. Now, again, these couple of things, a skipping rope and a Rubik's Cube, to me are very important because they're small and you can take them anywhere, which is great. But of course, the Rubik's Cube is great because not only are you, well, training your mind as well with it, and obviously there's a way to do the Rubik's Cube. There are actually many ways, but ultimately it just keeps your mind fresh and you can take it anywhere. That's the two reasons why I love it. So I actually do this every day, just trying to get faster and faster and quicker. And it is a skill because, of course, you actually need to be very good with your hands, and you got to know how to move your hands, and that in itself is training too. And of course, you got to analyze colors and see where to move them. So it's just such a small, simple kind of toy that is just very handy, very good to train your mind, but it's a skill in itself. And for those of you guys that know me, I love learning new skills. So there you have it. That is two awesome things that I have, and if you guys want it, then go ahead and try it, buy it. It is very, very good. But like I always say, for me, I do want to travel, but of course when it comes to traveling, I need to keep fit, I need to keep my mind active. Honestly, I don't want to be doing chart work all day every day whenever I'm traveling. I just want to keep the chart work consistent because I got my trade plan. I just want to keep my skill fresh when it comes to trading, but also be able to be healthy and things like this along the way. So anyway, guys, let's talk about trading. Guys, if you guys tell me how your trading has been. So message me down in the comments below if there are any struggles that you've been experiencing this week. The people that have subscribed to me, man, it's been awesome. Like you guys, like I said earlier, I have 912 subscribers and probably about 700 something on Instagram. But so many people have messaged out to me and said, oh, your content's great. Can I have lessons with you? Or can I have, can you mentor me? Can you do this and that? And it's been absolutely lovely to hear from you guys. Now, one of the things I do want to mention is that, if you guys are struggling with something in particular when it comes to trading, I am more than happy to make a video about this. So for example, my latest video, which was how to let your winners run. So it was talking about the best trade exit rule, which is the trailing stop loss. This was actually, suggested. It was a suggestion by one of you guys. Telling me about your strike rate, saying your strike rate was very good, but your R to R was low, and ultimately you're struggling for consistency. Okay, so guys, if there's anything you're struggling on, then please, genuinely, just write it down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to make a video on it. But ultimately, I also want you guys to know that my channel, I've seen the most popular videos are the ones to do with FTMO, which is account sizes, looking at accounts and successful challenges and things like that. And one of the things I have realized is that, a lot of people love to click on these kind of things, but actually the more vital and important videos are the ones on my channel that have gotten lesser views, which are to do with psychology and price action reading, which to me is way more important. And like I always say, it is designed to help you guys to become the best traders you can be. So please, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to watch those videos. They are way more important to you in particular than watching my FTMO ones that is about account sizes and graphs and this and that. Okay, so guys, that is that. So I'm just going to log this in. So today it is Saturday the 30th of October. I don't even know if it's Halloween today. Is it Halloween? It may or may not be, but ultimately what is happening in my life. So this week has just been a very solid lonely week, but of course lonely weeks are good for me because I get to really focus. So I've been keeping my meditation constant, keeping reading constant, keeping chart work constant, keeping the uploads constant. So, it's been a very, very good, consistent week. I've been putting in the effort, which is nice. And it's becoming more of second nature to me. So I really like that. And this weekend, what am I up to? So tonight I have a dinner with family. There's a few birthdays. And also I will have a little, I think one of my friends up in London is having a little gathering / party. So I'll be going there just to say hello to him. Haven't seen him in a while. And then Sunday, nothing planned. So of course, I'll probably be out for a walk. But I guess, guys, I guess I do always want my videos to provide you with value. So I hope, if you guys are looking to keep fit, then I would always suggest take a skipping rope, learn it. It is very, very good, but you've got to keep it consistent and you will start to enjoy it, especially if you just want to plug in, listen to music. I've never tried skipping rope and listening to an audiobook. You can do that. I don't know how that would be in terms of concentration, but I don't know if it would bode too well. But yeah, you know, these are just little things that I love. And if you have any other like neat little suggestions when it comes to, okay, if I'm going to start to travel, for example, but I want to keep mind sharp or something, one of my skills sharp, then let me know what you guys like to use. Some of you guys might actually like to take a chessboard and play chess. Some of you guys might, I remember I used to have this kind of Nintendo DS, I think it's Nintendo double screen, right? Very old school. And I used to have brain training on that. I used to do that all the time when I was a kid. So, you know, that's a little device that's very handy when you're traveling. I still actually have that Nintendo. So I don't know what the value of that is today, but to me, you know, I still got brain training on that. I don't really use it often, only use it when I travel. But again, little things like this that is designed to help keep you sharp when you travel or when you're moving around is very, very good. So let me guys, let me know if you guys in particular use anything in particular when it comes to traveling, whether that's you go traveling with one of those pillows and just to keep comfy, no matter, just these little toys, devices, objects that help you in some way that you love to keep, and it's kind of like, you know, it is something that you always have and take when you travel. But for now, you know, I'm just going to enjoy my weekend. It's been a nice long one. I'm really glad you have been enjoying this so far. I hope you guys have noticed that in my Wonder Kid Wonders episodes, well, the videos in particular, the thumbnails are a little bit different. They've got a new kind of W logo in the background and it's a bit more gold themed, which I like. But I'm really glad that everyone that has subscribed and watching this video is really enjoying my content, guys. And if you're new, then definitely watch the content that isn't the most popular, like I say before, is the more psychological side. So I've got a playlist which is to do with psychology and pure price action. Read those. It's really gonna help you. But if you guys want to chat to me, like I always say, just reach out to me. I will be happy to chat with you guys. Now, I do hope that my Wonder Kid Wonders episodes do get a lot more interesting. They will with time. The reason why I'm doing it now in my bedroom is because in some point in the future I can always look back saying this was the time when I was in my bedroom doing this and that. But then, you know, now I am in a whole different life, whole different lifestyle, you know, in this kind of location in the world, and I'm traveling and trading at the same time. And that is something that is probably going to be the direction of this channel. Like for me right now, I've found a way just to, again, I'm not in a relationship or anything like that. I don't have any, I'm not very close. I'm happy to just be free, you know, essentially travel and trade. So I think that will be a really nice touch to this channel, showing you guys how you can actually travel anywhere in the world, trade, and show you guys what I get up to. So that is probably what is planned for Wonder Kid Wonders episode, which is why I actually called it Wonder Kid Wonders, because Wonder Kid Wonders is not only about Wonder Kid wondering about stuff and ideas and things like this that I've been talking about, but also that I'll be wondering the world or wondering different things that I want to experience. And I hope to take you guys along the way as I do and have experienced this journey so far. So guys, honestly, thank you so much to everyone that's subscribed. I'm so grateful for you guys, and we are so close to 1K. So excited, but also quite nervous in videoing the day in the life video, because yeah, you'll guys see that I'll be up in the night, 2 a.m, 4 a.m, probably trying to video me like squinting and seeing if there's any trades on, but all good stuff. Very happy, very nervous at the same time, but all for you guys. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Like I always say, feel free to write any comments down in the comment section below if you want to chat to me. But if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, because, you know, if you're a trader or you want to become a trader, I've got all the best content for you, better than anything out there on YouTube, promise you. If you don't believe me, watch my videos. I will absolutely show you the truth behind trading and how to become the best. Because like you've seen, it's not all about money, cars, and all this other fancy stuff, and me saying, hey, I'm in this 6-figure, 7-figure mansion, and hey, I'm a Forex trader in this. Nah, you can see I'm coming from humble backgrounds. You can see I've always done my videos in my bedroom. I work out in my bedroom, do a lot in my bedroom, but you know, this is just the early stage. So, you know, thank you guys to everyone that's joined so far. Like I say, write a message to me. I'll be happy to chat to you guys. But for now, have a fantastic week and a fantastic beginning of November, and happy Halloween. If it is Halloween, I still don't know. I need to check. I think Halloween's on the 30th or 31st of October. That's pretty embarrassing. But anyway, take it, guys. Peace.